TCMM Shutter Group, we have numerous brands in the UK selling shutters B2B and B2C. We also have a B2C business in the United States, based out of Vegas. We looked at changing CRMs. We had a very basic CRM, and come 2017 we were really outgrowing our systems. We were a spreadsheet solution business. Spreadsheets for everything you can imagine, and multiple duplication of keying data. And every time we needed the business to grow, we'd have to hire more and more heads just to keep on top of essentially administration. We needed a platform to move forward as a group and as a business. We've got a lot of field-based people, and we were relying on them and taking photographs of surveys and sending them in, and there was so much mistyped data and errors. So we had ambitions to grow. We were turning around over around £10 million a year as a group at the time, and in the last 5 years, that, with the help of Workbooks as a platform for that, we've managed to double our turnover. But we would not have been able to do it with a spreadsheet solution business as we were in. We looked at about 3 or 4 different providers. We did our due diligence. We chose Workbooks because of the interactions we received straight away. You guys were quick to come and see us in Brighton. The CEO, John, came to see us for the day, along with numerous other people. And we felt with a good click, and that we would be looked after, and it was going to be where we could invest our long-term money, as you do with a CRM system that you build your business around. The shared success day, I think it was 2 days we did. It was eye-opening. We were asked what we were looking for, and at the time I remember efficiencies and sales growth, and we demonstrated how our business was operating at the time, numerous drives and spreadsheets to look through, and we were given the reassurance on that success day that can go, yes, you can put this in here, we can help streamline your business. So it was really exciting, and it just gave us the encouragement we needed that this was the right thing we were going to do. We implemented Workbooks across all brands in 2019. All brands within the group are now fully using Workbooks and are benefiting from it. So Shuttley Fabulous, where we measure and fit for the customers, we have a solution in place whereby the consultants in the house with the customer can input the data straight into the activity. So that whole business picks the data in the customer's home and then ultimately through to the factory in the Far East. You professionally press a button on a device and the email lands in your pocket, if you're in your phone, there and then, and you can say yes and take payment. The professionalism that gives has definitely helped us with conversion. And not only that, we can control our data and our activities and our opportunities. So even not every customer converts there and then on the day, actually most don't, but it's thereafter how we control that flow of data and can speak to the customers and pull them in and out of opportunities depending on how they want to be contacted, whether it's by email or a call next week. We've just got our arms around our customer base, which has led to higher sales conversion. For our DIY brands, the user, the actual customer, is on an online platform, and they will select the shutters that they want, and that spills or feeds through into Workbooks. And once that's quickly checked, that is sent to the factory in the Far East. We're completely dependent on Workbooks for all our reporting, to see from how many appointments we're getting in, how long those appointments are taking to fulfill, how quickly we can get to our customers, how many quotes we've got sitting on the bubble, what we did this month, last month, this day, this time last month, this day, this time last year. This gives us an instant insight to how the business is performing. Everything's controlled from there, and it's saved us a lot in terms of errors and helped our sales conversion. Conversion rates, we were hovering around 50% for a while and doing a good job of it, but as we were leaving the small business journey behind and moving to medium quite quickly. And now some months at peak times we can hit nearly 70%. Our average is 60%, but every 1% in what we do as a business is a huge increment. Since we've worked with Workbooks, we've doubled in size as a group, and without having to double the staff numbers, which would have had to happen had we stayed in the situation where we were. The revenue has increased from a £10 million turnover to 21 million. Workbooks is a significant factor in allowing us to scale as a business. We've done other things. We've put in new websites and processes around the business. A lot has changed in the last 5 years, but our growth has been almost double, pretty much more than double, And there was not a chance we would have been able to do it without the backbone that Workbooks gives us. Workbooks integrates with every element of our business, our websites that customers purchase from, the tablets in the homes when we're surveying ourselves, exports the data directly to the factory who manufacture the product in the Far East. I'd recommend Workbooks to any size of business, particularly where we were. A successful small business went from 10 to 20 to 30 staff. Anyone looking to make that next step, that's the experience we've had. We've gone from organised paperwork to needing to really grow. And Workbooks has allowed us to sort of dovetail all of our business into one platform, from the accountancy system Sage to the factory portal in Far East. Workbooks links or joins together all those facets of our business.
So much deeper.